Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair color transformation. So if you all want to see how I go from this natural black to this beautiful burgundy color using absolutely no bleach, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's dive on in. I'm just showing you guys the products right here. So I use the L'Oréal HiColor Haircolor in the shade Magenta. I used 4 boxes and 30 volume developer. So I'm just showing you guys me mixing it in. So starting at the bottom, I like to go in small sections. And I really like to go in and heavily saturate each strand. I did not want my hair color to be runny. I really wanted a thick consistency. So what you want to do is take the color, small sections, paint starting from the roots on down. Once you finish, either massage that color in with your fingers or an actual comb. Here I'm showing you that you want to make sure you distribute that color at the top and the bottom of that strand. And pull that color right on through, massage it in. So you can make sure that each strand is evenly saturated with that hair color. And like I'm wearing gloves, make sure you wear gloves because girl, red can get really messy and it can stain. And I know it looks really bright, but it will not look like that after we end up getting ready to wash it out. Here's a little bit up closer. So starting at the top and then coming on down. I don't really want to get too close up on my roots because I don't want it to stain my cap. Not that anyone else can see it, but it'll just bother me. So showing you guys again, take your section, saturate that strand with that color, pull it through, and comb it. So we were halfway done right here. And I'm just taking a little bit of color onto my fingers just to saturate those ends. Now when it comes up to the top, I like to take a mascara wand with the color and lightly tap that color on in just so we won't stain that lace. And for the remainder of that, each individual strand, I just go back in with my normal hair color brush. You really want to take your time on this part. And here we go. I let it saturate for about an hour and then I rinse it out with some conditioner. So I'm getting ready to apply it. Yes, child, my braids are a little janky. That's okay. And I'm using a black cap because I didn't feel like doing the ball cap method. Look at this bomb color. And guess what, sis? We use absolutely no bleach. So I'm just going to apply it using my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. It is one of my faves. And the unit that I'm applying is my True Glory unit. I reviewed it a couple of videos back. I'll make sure that if I don't put a card in this video, I will leave the link to that video down in the description box. What lace is? Yes, what lace? I needed a change in my hair color, something very cute and sassy for fall. So I was like, why not burgundy? And I absolutely love how this turned out. I think I want to try ginger next. You guys let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite fall hair colors, and I definitely will try them out. And here I'm just applying some of Erica J's Fluff Stuff foaming wrap lotion, and I'm just going to tie it down again right before I get ready to throw some curls in. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And until next time, bye guys.